Welcome to Learnsignal. This video will guide you through the platform so you get the full benefits of our resources, guidance, and 24/7 tutor support. To start, just select your course from this drop-down menu. To register, just choose Register on the top navigation bar. This will bring you to a page where you input your details and choose your area of study. If you're already a member, simply click Log In to fill in your email and password. Once logged in, you go straight to your dashboard. This is where you can easily view all of your learning activity. In this example, we're looking at ACCA. As a first-time member, choose the course you're looking to study. Choosing a course will bring you to the course page. Click on the Enrol button and provide your exam sitting details, student number and date of birth, so we can provide you with relevant tips and advice right up to your exam. On the course page, the first tab is Knowledge. This section is where you'll find your lecture videos for each subject and practice questions. Just click into a video to watch it. Downloaded resources are available so you can study on the go. Once you've completed any action, click on Next Step to move on. If you want to go back, just select the course name button. If you're a basic member, you'll notice there's an upgrade button. If you want to get full access to the platform, all you need to do is click on it to pay and become a full member. The Tutor Solutions tab is where you'll find an expert review of past paper questions and our tutor solutions. The Ask the Tutor button allows you to ask questions related to your study at any time. The Exam Prep tab is where you'll find all your exam resources. This includes a 5-minute to pass video, weekly webinars and exam paper walkthroughs, basically everything you need to pass your upcoming exam for each course. Bootcamp is an intensive revision program that will provide you with daily study topics and practice questions linked to a study plan. This year, our students voted it the most useful resource for passing. Resources provides you with study plans, questions and solution packs, technical articles and examiner reports. The products section is where you can access mock exams and correction packs. We offer single exams or bundles, depending on what you want to do. At any time, just click Dashboard to return to your activity and select Resume Course to go to any course page. Remember, if you're a basic member, just click on Upgrade to become a full member. Get in touch with our 24/7 tutor support at any time if you need help. Happy studying!